Welcome back, folks. It's Chuck Penzien with the Penzien Legal Group. Wanted to make a quick video again today regarding a question that I received from a potential client. Um, this client had a previously prepared estate plan, and the question for me was simply, when should I review it or when should I look at it? And um, that question always brings up a number of issues that I think are applicable to most people who have already had a power of attorney or an estate plan or other documents prepared as part of that estate plan. Usually, I tell clients when we complete the estate plan that it's generally a good idea to review those documents at least once a year. I always recommend that they pick a date that's easy for them to remember. Some people prefer the end of the year, like it is now, or the holiday season, or perhaps when they're doing their income taxes, or maybe it's an anniversary or birthday, that can sort of jog their memory to get out the estate plan, review it, and look for it. Look for items that might be need to be changed, or that they're thinking might be different at this time versus when they had it originally prepared. Some things to look for. Um, Specifically, look at who is going to serve under the estate plan. Who is going to be appointed as personal representative or agent under the power of attorney, or trustee, or successor trustees, or successor agents. Make sure those people are still able or willing to do that. You know, maybe they've gotten ill, or maybe they've passed, and maybe there is time now to make a change for some of those folks. It's not unusual for people to reconsider some of the names that they may have appointed a year, 2, 3, or 4 years ago. Um, Sometimes the relationships change between people, and maybe they want to pick somebody different to serve as the successor should something happen to them. So that's a good idea to look for. Second item to look for is, do you still want to give your property to who you had named under the original documents? Sometimes people pick charities that maybe they've had a change of heart about, or maybe they want to add a charity or something of that nature. Those are always good reasons to amend the documents, or to change what we've already put in place. Finally, if you have a trust, it's always a good idea to make sure we've done everything we need to do under that trust to fund those wishes that we've put into place. For example, if we started a new investment account with a new brokerage firm, or changed the broker that we were dealing with, have we sold our house? Have we bought new real estate? Do we need to do something to fund those new assets into the trust to make sure that what we intended to do when we drafted that estate plan originally is going to happen when something happens to us? So, those are all questions that you should really consider and think about at the time you're reviewing those documents. Get them out, look them over, make sure all the people are still correct, and make sure everything is correct in those documents, and make sure that things are happening the way you want them to happen. And of course, if you have any questions about an estate plan that you may have had prepared previously, please give me a call. My contact information is in the description of this video. Send me an email. Check out my website. And we'd be happy to sit down and go through your estate plan. Even if there aren't any changes to be made, you know, we can answer questions and try to help you put your mind at ease and go from there. So feel free to reach out to me, and we'll sit down and go through your documents and make sure everything is up to date and current, and that there aren't any changes that need to be made. Be happy to help. Again, it's Chuck Penzien with the Penzien Legal Group. I look forward to trying to help you out and work you through your estate planning needs. Thanks much for watching, and if you enjoy this content, please hit the like and share button below. It helps get this information out to other people who might be interested in this kind of thing as well. Again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.